Question 6. 4 times a number increased by 22 is at most 74. So again, we're looking for our total. This right here is going to be our total. So we're going to write that down over here as the total. 74. Here's a number and here's a number. 4 times a number, that's what's going to tell you to use your variable. And increased, that's a key word to tell you that we're going to add. So is at most, if you look back at your top of this page, you will see that is at most is a key word that tells you we're going to use the sign less than or equal to. So 4 times a number, that's going to give us our number with our variable. Increased means add. Added to 22. Let's look at the next one. 7 times a number decreased by 15 is at least 20. So we need 3 numbers there. 7, 15, and 20. We got to figure out which one is our total. This one here is going to be our total. Is at least 20. At least, if we look at the top of the page, at least is going to tell us it is greater than or equal to, because it can be 20 or it can be more than 20. So 7 times a number, that's going to be paired with our variable. 7 times a number. Decreased is a key word that tells us that we're going to subtract. Decreased by 15. Let's look at the next one. Negative 2 times a number decreased by 4 is less than or equal to 10. So our numbers here are negative 2, 4, and 10. So we got to find our total. Our total on this one is 10. And then it tells us less than or equal to. Well, that one's pretty obvious. Less than or equal to. Make sure you're using the right sign though. So when we go back to see which one is paired with our variable, this says negative 2 times a number. That's the one that's going to get the variable. So negative 2 times a number, and it doesn't matter what letter you use, decreased by 4. So decreased means we're going to use subtraction. Decreased by 4 is less than or equal to 10. Last one. 7 less than the product of 10 and a number is greater than 3. So let's circle our numbers. We have 7, we have 10, and we have 3. So we need our total here. It says is greater than, so that's going to tell us the number immediately following is our total. So 3, and here's our is greater than sign. 7 less than the product, that's a key word we haven't really talked about yet. Product means multiply. So the product of 10 and a number, that's where we're going to get our variable, 10 and a number. So we have 10 times a number, and we want 7 less than that. So 7 less. So be careful, because we don't want less than to be our inequality, because we're taking 7 less than 10 times this number. And that is altogether is going to be greater than 3.